Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming who owns the file and whether you actually have edit rights. This matters because only owners or editors can change link settings. Once signed into the correct Google account, open Drive and locate the item. Click the file, then Share to reveal current access. Make sure to note whether it's anyone with link, restricted, or specific people. Doing this first prevents accidental permission changes for unrelated files and tells you which next action. Transfer ownership. Once in the share settings, find the person you want to remove and click the role dropdown. Choose Remove to revoke access immediately. If link sharing is set to anyone with link, click Change and set it to restricted so new viewers cannot join. If you need to remove the current owner, first transfer ownership to another account listed. Make sure that account accepts ownership, because Google requires an owner to exist. After transfer, revisit Share and remove any remaining accounts you no longer want. You finish by validating the permission list. Open Share, scan for unexpected users, and ensure link access reads restricted. Once done, test by opening the file link in an incognito window or different account to verify removal. If someone still sees it, make sure they aren't part of a shared folder or included via group membership. Remove the group or adjust folder permissions. If problems persist, clear browser cache, sign out and back into Google, and repeat the steps to force permission refresh.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.